Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Tibetan radish pickle, a delicious and easy to prepare condiment. This simple recipe brings a wonderful tangy and spicy flavor to any meal. You will need just a few key ingredients like fresh Tibetan radish, some salt, and dried red chilies. For that authentic Tibetan taste, we'll also incorporate Sichuan peppercorns and fresh garlic. Plus, there's a neat trick to give your pickle a beautiful pink hue. The first step is all about preparing your radish properly. Start by peeling your Dakin radish, then slice it into thin, manageable pieces. Next, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of salt over all the radish slices. This isn't just for seasoning, it's a vital step to draw out excess water. Let it sit for about 1 hour. This process helps ensure your pickle will be wonderfully crunchy, not soggy, which is key for a great Tibetan radish pickle. Now, let's get to mixing. First, prepare your brine by combining 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts cold water. After the radish has rested, make sure to drain it thoroughly, getting rid of all that excess water. Then, carefully pack the drained radish into a clean, airtight glass jar. Don't forget to add your flavorful spices, like minced ginger, garlic, and a few whole red chilies, distributing them evenly throughout the jar for maximum taste. Finally, it's time for fermentation. Pour your prepared brine over the radish and spices in the jar, making sure everything is completely covered. Seal the jar tightly and let it sit in a cool place for about 2 to 4 days. During this time, give the jar a gentle shake once or twice daily to ensure the flavors meld beautifully. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, move it to the refrigerator. Your homemade Tibetan radish pickle is now ready to be enjoyed for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.